Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caring by Sydney. I've got this Porsche Boxster. Engine's coming out, just came out today, so I can actually do the IMS bearing and the clutch and a few things on this car here. Just want to have a quick look at the car. This oil separator has been done, but this one here has been done. That one there. Water pump looks like it's been done already. Dry belt looks alright to me. I've got to take the dry belt off, check the pulleys. So I've got to check the actual compressor pulley as well, make sure it's not noisy. This is the original oil cooler. I can tell straight away. Got to probably get a quote on the oil cooler as well. See little plastics, anything plastic. See this little plastic here? I went to move it and it just broke off. I was so lucky. See that? I replaced all the plastic here. Any plastic like that, any plastic connector on the car, I replace it. They don't cost that much anyway, because they're only plastic, but when they break down, it costs more than actually just to tow the car to the workshop. So this is only the actual look. I'm just looking at the engine now. I'm not really doing anything because I just got it out now, but I'm just having a nice little look around before I start my work. This is the original spark plugs. Sorry, this is the original ignition coil. Sorry. There's no oil leaks from the actual cam cover, but I can tell there's an oil leak from the actual rear main seal maybe. I've got to split the intake as well, and I want to check inside here. Check inside there for any oil. Majority of the time, people replace the actual oil separator, but they don't clean the intake. And the oil gets stuck on the corner and just sit there, doesn't come out. You'd be surprised when you clean the intake how quick the rev goes, and how quick the pickup, when you actually step on the throttle, it picks up really quick because the air is rushing in, there's nothing slowing it down. Massive difference. Anyway, okay, let's have a look at the body. I've got to get a new one of those. The plastic there looks like it's leaking already in the corner. They did a plastic as well, it's going to be a replacement. I've got to replace that as well. I took all the under tray off. And it's very important to check the little white piece there, because sometimes they crack and leak. I'm going to take this under tray off tomorrow. And I'm going to check the fuel tank tomorrow. Make sure there's no leak or anything leak from the neck. And the suspension, I think the suspension, one of the shock absorbers is leaking. I think this side here, right hand side rear, shock absorber is leaking. Alright, have to tie it. Make sure if you take it out, make sure you get something to hold the drive shaft up, otherwise you'll break the little casing inside there. Something good to do all the time. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.